Hi everyone, this is my cultural learning experience project. For this project, I went to the Bel Air Swap Meet, which is located in Fontana. I chose this location because I've never been to an outdoor swap meet before, so I thought it would be a cool experience to actually be able to go to one. Um, so yeah, I picked this one. It's in Fontana. It's open only Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday, and it's open from 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. So for generations, people have focused on the differences among humans, and that has been the identifying factor for many people. We have identified one another by the color of our skin and don't comprehend the fact that we're all human beings. Because of these differences, we find ourselves as outnumbered. And even I felt like I was standing out when I was at the swap meet, and I just don't think that that's fair to feel when we're in a public place. But at the same time, these differences um, are kind of like what make us who we are. They contribute to how we define race, ethnicity, and gender, and that makes us stand out in a good way, not a bad way. Excuse me, sorry. Um, we also have been taught, like, I remember when I was growing up, a lot of the time I would hear stories about like different groups of people. And as it turned out, it was completely untrue. And I realized that I was judging people based on the things that I was told and not what I knew. I wasn't forming my own opinions of these people. And I was just going into it thinking these things without even giving them like a chance. So, people think that the color of your skin is the defining factor in how you will succeed, and that's just not the case at all. Humans do not meet the stereotypes that we have generated either. The ideals that we instill in our children are causing the misconception that certain races are better than others, and I think that that has a huge factor in why we think that certain races are superior, because of how we were raised and what we're now passing on to other children. We're not teaching them that people are different and people have equal opportunities. We're kind of showing them that we are different instead of showing them that we are similar. Um, we're equal, and many races face the same challenges in their everyday lives. So, the last thing that I want to touch on is I want to talk about how diversity is key. Our socioeconomic classes are the reason that the economy is sustainable. So, without diversity, no one would be unique. Without rich, middle class, and poor, we would not have the socioeconomic status that we do in our country. When I was at the swap meet, I noticed that a lot of the stores there were actually like almost like mini grocery stores. They had things that you would get at like a Target or a Walmart. And these people go to these locations so that they can buy these things for cheaper. Instead of going to Target and buying deodorant for $5, you can go to a swap meet and buy like the same deodorant. Like you could buy 5 for the price of 1. So it just occurred to me that places like swap meets are essential to the economy because some of these people that are there, this is how they make their money, and they depend on the people coming to the swap meet so that they can buy their goods and be successful in life and pay their bills and all those things. So, diversity, like I said before, is key. It is the way that our world works. It's how we define one another, and it even tells us who we are as people and how we are as a society. So, this project really did kind of change my ideals about people. I want to go to more swap meets now. It was an enjoyable experience all around, and I think it's important for people to do things like this so that they can appreciate what they have and what other people do as well.